Welcome to KINTOZ Point of Sale. Let's get started. In this video, we will discuss the proper format of CSV files. A CSV is a comma-separated values file which allows data to be saved in a table-structured format. This file can be used with any spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc, or Google Spreadsheets. The difference from other spreadsheet file types is that you can only have a single sheet in a file. They cannot save cell, column, or row styling, and cannot save formulas. Currently, this format is the requirement for importing records into the system. Here are a few examples. There are a few things to keep note of. The barcode should have no spaces. Make sure the CSV file can be readable by Notepad. From the Notepad, you can check barcode spacing and special characters. Please make sure that the amount of the selling price and number has no comma. Remove single and double quotes. This may break the name format as well as other features such as search display. Here is another sample CSV file. In some cases, barcodes are converted by Excel automatically, which causes error in input. If this happens, the user has three options available. Option 1. Create an Excel workbook and format all of the cells as text. Afterwards, enter or paste in the data. Option 2. Right-click. Click Format Cells and choose Number. Remove any decimal spacing. This prevents the automated conversion. Option 3. Copy your data into Notepad. Create a new column as text, then copy the data back from Notepad. For a tutorial on uploading your CSV files into the POS, please visit our website. You can also download sample CSV files by clicking these buttons. More information can be found on our How to Import videos. Thank you for watching.